Always remember, the next time you have any itching at the scalp, confirm it. If it is psoriasis or scalp psoriasis, make sure you follow this video and cure it from the root cause. Today we're going to talk about the number one skin disease in the world and how Ayurveda cures its root cause. We're talking about psoriasis, why does it occur and how does it begin. If we have the answers for these two questions, the things are going to be very simple. We can make sure that in the initial stage itself, we are able to identify it. At the same time, we can prevent it from further aggravation, because once it's aggravated, patient faces a lot of problems. For again, Ayurveda has the best results, but yet if we have that understanding and do not neglect it in the first case itself, we can be at a much better condition. So this is something that we are going to talk about along with this after having a clinical data of over 10,000 patients successfully cured from various kinds of skin infections. What is that understanding that we have got when it comes to psoriasis is something that we're going to talk about, along with certain Ayurvedic remedies or commonly available remedies across the globe that you can use for washing the wounds, for washing the scales, for external purpose as well as for internal purpose. So all of this for y'all in this video. Keep watching this video till the end. Let us begin. Firstly, namaste everyone, welcome back to Jyovis. As you all know, psoriasis is an autoimmune disease. The body's immune system attacks the skin. The body's immune system feels that the skin is not a part of my body. It's an enemy, it's a virus, and hence the immune system attacks the skin. It starts damaging its own skin, and hence we see a condition called as psoriasis. I'm going to tell you something very, very important here. After seeing so many patients in India, across the globe, we've seen patients saying this one line, which is the psoriasis started from the scalp and spread it all over the body. And almost 45 to 56% of the people, those who have psoriasis also have scalp psoriasis. In the initial stage, they experience some itching over their hairline, over the scalp, over the back side of their neck, behind the ears. And this is something that we must be very much careful about. And we must firstly differentiate whether it is a normal dandruff, whether it's scalp psoriasis or whether it's seborrheic dermatitis. We've seen many patients say that started from the scalp and spread it all over the body. So let's come to the main point, the difference between the scalp psoriasis and the seborrheic dermatitis. These two conditions are different, and I'll tell you a very easy or simple thing where you can differentiate these two conditions. So basically, scalp psoriasis or psoriasis, there are silver scales. Itching is present, of course, but silver scales are present, and in seborrheic dermatitis, the scales are yellow in color and they are greasy. The conditions are different, principles, treatment, everything is different from the modern perspective as well as from the Ayurvedic perspective. So coming to the scalp psoriasis, I'll tell you that what needs to be done then and there itself to cure the scalp psoriasis. And just in case if the body is filled with psoriasis, the body has psoriasis, and with a proper Ayurvedic treatment, even if you have the entire patches gone, still face a difficulty in getting rid of the scalp psoriasis, what needs to be done is something that we're going to discuss at the end of the video for sure. But let us first come to the point that what needs to be done. So what needs to be done, Ayurveda always says Nidan Parimarjan, which means the first treatment is removing the causes. So if you experience such kind of itching, the first treatment itself is removing the causes. And what is the cause? From the modern perspective, the causes are unknown and there is no permanent cure, right? But from an Ayurvedic perspective, or let's say from what we have heard from all the different kinds of patients, is this one sentence that the daughter moved to another country. There was a death in the family. I failed in my exam. Or most of the time there's death in the family, or there is some kind of an emotional stress that the patient has, and this is why the patient develops psoriasis. This is what patient replies. So if there's an emotional stress, it leads to psoriasis again. And if the patient says that okay, there was no stress, then the reasons are Kapha Prakopit Ahar Vihar. Such kinds of diet or such kind of lifestyle that is increasing the cough in the body, because if you've seen the video of why and how Ayurveda cures skin diseases so effectively, we've discussed about one sentence, which is Kapha Nasti Kandu Shodh. There is no itching, there is no swelling without the aggravation of the cough. When cough increases, itching increases. Hence we have the Ayurvedic medications for reducing the cough, as well as the Panchakarma, which is a gift of Ayurveda to remove the aggravated cough out of the system. Once the fish tank itself is cleansed, then you can add the fresh water in the fish tank, and then you can add a filter as well in the fish tank, so there are no toxins and the body is clean and free from various kinds of skin infections. So number one cause, as we spoke about, it's the emotional stress. Number two is cough. We must follow the the line of treatment or the diet or the lifestyle that is reducing the cough. We've discussed in many videos consumption of excessive sweet, sour, salty foods, consumption of yogurt, which is curd, any kind of yogurt, pickles, brinjal, stale food, all these are the multiple causes of various skin infections. We've discussed in detail. I'll put the video links in the description box for more information. So let's talk about the treatment. First, let me share with you all about the remedy, and then we'll talk about the commonly available Ayurvedic medicines, and also for the incurable conditions, what could be the possible measures, what could be the possible treatments. We are going to discuss about it. So talking about the Ayurvedic remedy, which is commonly available across the globe, what we generally use in our day-to-day practice for psoriasis, it is an Ayurvedic herb which is Chop Chini. Chop Chini is also called as Dvipantra Vacha, which is a type of Vacha. It is also known as Madhu Snuhi. The name of the herb is Chop Chini. In our practice, we use it for various purposes, like conditions again like cancer, there is joint diseases, there is skin diseases, digestive problems, etc. etc. Chop Chini, it is Tikta Rasatmak, it is bitter in taste. It is Ushna Virya, hot in its potency, and it gives the patient the relief from the itching for various kinds of skin diseases. We mainly use it for psoriasis. So how is the way that we use it? We use it in the form of decoction. Simply to take 2 cups of water, add half or 1 teaspoon of Chop Chini powder, boil it, make it half, strain the liquid, and use this liquid for cleaning the wounds, all the body psoriasis that the patient has, and also for cleaning the scalp. Because if the patients may use the shampoo, conditioner, the condition may get worse. So they can wash their patches, the scales, using this kind of Ayurvedic decoction, which is Chop Chini Kada. So prepare this decoction and you can clean the wounds twice or thrice a day. You can also use this as a head bath, of course, and the same liquid is used for internal purpose at a dosage of 10 to 20 ml twice or thrice a day under an authentic Ayurvedic doctor's guidance. So Chop Chini is one of the most effective herbs when it comes to psoriasis. Of course, along with that, Khadir, which is Sarva Kushtahar, we've spoken about it in many of our videos. So Khadir and Chop Chini, these are very effective when it comes to psoriasis. Let's come to the commonly available Ayurvedic medications that are prescribed across the globe by various Ayurvedic practitioners. It is the active Ved India syrup Sorasi Med, which is in syrup form, liquid form. It has all the Kushtangna Dravyas for various fungal infections, psoriasis, eczema. This herb is used. It is Krumingna, helps in detoxifying the body, helps in eliminating the krumi, the worms from the system. So Sorasi Med syrup is useful along with the combination of tablet Tuaxi Med, which is again Kushtagna, along with the tablet Livsi Med, which is a liver tonic. So there is Tuaxi Med, Livsi Med and Sorasi Med that is commonly prescribed to patients with external applications like Chop Chini, a decoction that we just spoke about. Certain oils, certain creams are advised as per an Ayurvedic doctor, as per the Prakruti, as per the Vikruti, as per the age and many other factors. The external applications are given to the patient. And then coming to the incurable condition where the patients, all the psoriasis have got cured with an authentic Ayurvedic treatment, but still there is itching in the scalp psoriasis is there. What needs to be done is, of course, Takradhara. Takradhara is a type of Shirodhara. Shirodhara is induced form of meditation which is working great on balancing the Mansik doshas. For psoriasis, mind is very, very important, and for mind, there is nothing better than Shirodhara. It's one of the best treatment for various mental conditions. So, we use certain medicated buttermilk prepared from herbs like amalaki, musta, brahmi, jatamausi, and such buttermilks are used for the Shirodhara purpose. These liquids are poured over the forehead. They have a pituitary stimulation and helps in relaxing the body, helps in balancing the doshas at the physical level as well as the mental level. The patient experiences after few sessions of Takradhara, the itching is reduced and the incurable or the stubborn psoriasis, it has started reducing. So that's all that needs to be done. In very few cases, patients may also experience a relapse where the condition has reoccurred, but of course the intensity won't be that high, or the intensity would be very, very mild. But also the patient knows about the causes, because the patient is not sleeping on time, because of the stress, because of the diet, it is coming back again. But of course, it is not coming at that intensity. The intensity is very, very mild. So for a condition which is incurable, for a condition which has no causes, Ayurveda has beautiful treatments. You can see a wide range of treatment options. There is Vaman, Virechan, there is Nasya, Raktamokshan of various different types. There is Siravet, Alabu Chikitsa, there is Jaloka Avcharan. There are various treatment methods available in Ayurveda for various kinds of skin infections, including psoriasis. Always remember, the next time you have any itching at the scalp, confirm it. If it is psoriasis or scalp psoriasis, make sure you follow this video and cure it from the root cause. If this video helped, do like and share this video further, and any doubts, any questions, let us know in the comment section below. Until next time, from Jyovis and the team, look impressive, be progressive.